Hello, can anyone confirm now? Is my voice is clear? Hello, is my voice is clear now? Please confirm. Okay. सर जीपीबी का ICAR ARS और ICAR ग्रुप में प्लीज ऐड करिए। कौन सा ग्रुप? ठीक है, आप मतलब फ्री ग्रुप कुछ होता मतलब एक व्हाट्सएप नंबर दे देंगे, उसमें आप मैसेज करो, ठीक है, उसके बाद फ्री ग्रुप में ऐड हो सकते हैं, ठीक है, मतलब सारे हमारा टेलीग्राम ग्रुप और सब में ऐड कर देंगे, ठीक है। ओके, देन जल्दी शेयर कर दो फटाफट सबको। इन दिस वीडियो वी विल गोइंग टू सी अबाउट कंप्लीट strategy for ASRB NET 2026-27, and I also wanted to tell you something that there is a new notification. Okay, there is a inside news that they are going to release the new notification for ASRB NET, ARS and STO SMS in upcoming November or December. Okay, there will be a prelims exam maybe in January, February. So be prepared for that so that you can clear your ASRB NET 2026-27. Okay, before starting today's session, when will be the answer key come, sir? For which exam you are asking? Answer key. Not free, sir. I have taken courses. Okay, Shweta, you just text a message to our technical team. They will definitely add you to our master course. Okay, master course WhatsApp group. Sir, ICAR PG 2026 वो भी आ जाएगा इस in the coming week. Maybe we are expecting. Sir, is there any separate WhatsApp group for ASRB GPB? There will be only one group for master batch students. Okay, for ICAR PSD and ASRB NET WhatsApp master group. Okay, we are maintaining only single WhatsApp group for master batch students. Okay, so we will start today's session. Okay, how to crack ASRB NET 2026-27. Okay, this is about me. I am Abhishek. I completed my undergraduation from College of Agriculture, India, which is under USB that time, but now it is separate university. And I also cleared ICAR PG with 21st rank, and I got admitted to ARI in New Delhi for my masters. Now I am currently pursuing my PhD from the same institute with All India rank 4 in my ICAR JRF bar SRF. And I also cleared CSI, joined CSI UGC NET, ASRB NET, and recently I have visited Greece and Italy for one of my PhD summer school. Okay, this is about me, is a brief introduction. So we will start with one question, the big question in your mind. Okay, why do many students study genetics and plant breeding for the months? Okay, so there are so many students, they are preparing for 1 year, 2 year, okay, but still fail to clear ASRB NET. Okay, if I want to tell you that to clear ASRB NET exam, you just have to get some 45 or 50%. Okay, for if it is for 150 marks, you just need to get 75 marks sometime. Okay, in based on a different category, but there are still you are failing to clear that ASRB NET exam. Again, the ASRB NET is nothing but your ARS prelims, and for prelims for your STO, SMS, everything. The exam will be same for each and every stream. But we will specifically talk of, we will deal about ASRB NET today. Okay, how you have to clear that prelims. For ARS it is prelims. For to get a certificate, NET certificate, it is ASRB NET, the same exam. Why you are failing? It is not about syllabus. Okay, syllabus will be same for your ICAR PhD exam, NET exam, STO, SMS, ARS, for everything. But there are some reasons, okay, where you have to target, where you have to concentrate. Okay, it is because student will study randomly. They don't know what to study. Okay, what is the syllabus? What maybe they can ask from ASRB. Okay, as a prelims, as a NET questions. Okay, and you guys will not revise. For some students will try to study in last 15 days or 1 week, then they are not having time to revise the syllabus properly. Okay, again it is a different lacuna in the students, and they will ignore PYQs. Yes, I will agree that you will not get PYQs. Okay, the proper PYQs which are happened in the recent years from the ASRB, you will not get. But if you have a connection with the any seniors or any students which are recently qualified your ASRB NET, maybe you will get an idea of PYQs. Okay, now it is completely changed. Okay, the pattern and everything is completely changed from the past years. Okay, you will the students which who are appearing for this particular the recent ASRB NET exam, they know what exactly the syllabus. Sorry, what exactly the pattern. Okay, now it is completely same as your ICAR PhD entrance exam. Okay, the AIC JRF bar PhD exam. Now it completely different and very difficult. They have made it clearly that if you have some knowledge, then you should know each and everything about it. Okay, maybe they can ask statements, assertion, reasoning. It will be complete different pattern. Okay, I will discuss about that also. So you should know about the PYQs. Memorize it instead of understanding the concepts. What you are doing in the previous years, there will be a single line questions. Okay, they will directly ask that origin of wheat. What is the ploidy level of wheat? Okay, whether it is ABD, AA, BB, AA, BBDD, AA, BBCC. So you can easily choose the answer. But nowadays they are not asking the questions like that. Okay, they have took that very seriously and they are giving the assertion reasoning, statement wise questions. Okay, and you don't know the high weightage topics where you should concentrate on your preparation. Okay, from which core group you are getting more number of questions. Okay, we'll see each and everything so that you will get an idea to how to crack your ASRB NET in upcoming days. Before that, we will start with ASRB NET exam pattern. Okay, what will be the pattern, how many questions it contains. Okay, mode of examination will be CBT, computer based test. Okay, duration will be 2 hours 120 minutes. Questions will be 150. Okay, there will be multiple choice question. Okay, once again, but here there will be negative marking compared to your ICAR PhD or ICAR PG exam, other JRF or SRF exams. There will be a one negative. For negative marking there will be a -1, and for positive you will get a +4 marks. But in this case, okay, for every correct response you will get +1 marks. For every incorrect response, for negative marking, there will be a -1/3. It is approximately, that is like 0.33 will get reduced. Okay, so if you take a risk, okay, if there are any questions they are getting incorrect, then there will be a more risk here compared to other exams. Okay, you should be very careful in that particular thing. And if you are not attempting, then there will be a no positive or negative scoring. Medium of paper, English and Hindi. You can see in both the languages. Okay, आप हिंदी में भी exam attempt कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, this is all about your ASRB NET exam. Okay, what will be the pattern and the number of questions. So next, this you should know. Okay, again this will be different for your ARS prelims. Again, don't confuse with your ARS prelims or STO SMS thing. Okay, it is just regarding your ASRB NET exam. Okay, if you want to get a NET certificate, okay, this will be the minimum qualifying marks. If you get this minimum qualifying marks, then you will get a NET certificate. Okay, there is no need to score that you should be in the top 10, you should be in the top 100. There is nothing like that. If you qualify this minimum marks, then you are like you are having a NET certificate in your hand. For unreserved category, you should get 50% of the total marks. Okay, as I told, total marks will be 150. So 50% means 75 marks. You should get minimum 75 marks to get a NET certificate. For EWS and OBC, 45% minimum, so that they can, if they get 67.5 also, then they will get a NET certificate. For SC, ST and PWD students, okay, it will be 40%. That is only 60 marks. You can just imagine out of 150 marks, total marks, if you are getting 60 for SC/ST, EWS for 67.5, and for unreserved, there will be 75 marks. If you get this minimum qualifying marks, then you are cleared, okay, and you will get a net certificate. So that there will be so many advantages of getting net certificate, okay. I will discuss that also, that part also. What are the advantages of clearing ASRB NET exam, okay. This is about minimum qualifying marks. So for this, you should go with the proper planning, okay. There is no need to read each and everything, and also if you read some basic books and one-liner, then again you will not easy to qualify ASRB NET. There will be some tricks and from where you have to cover, okay. We will discuss what are the type of question for the previous years, okay, when it is in 2021, 2022 and 2016 and 2017-18, in that era, okay, there will be single one-liner based questions, memory based questions, okay. You can easily choose out of 4 options, but now everything has been changed, as I told, okay. What are the type of questions? Assertion and reasoning. There will be a assertion and there will be a reasoning, 2 statements. Then they will give 4 options, okay. Assertion and reason both are true, and your reason is correctly explaining your assertion, okay. There will be different types of options, okay. Those will be the assertion reasoning question. Arranging options in correct sequence, maybe for the different achievements, the different steps, different procedures, okay. For those kinds of questions, they will give arranging options, okay. You should arrange B, A, D, A, B, C, D, like that, for the different statements. Then direct multiple types of questions, okay. There will be a few direct questions also, you can see. Statement questions, they will give 2 statements and they will give an option, both are correct, statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false, okay. These kinds of questions. At the last, match the following question. You can expect match the following questions also, okay. In the last year ASRB NET prelims, like ARS prelims exam, okay, we can see, we are able to see these kinds of questions in the particular exam, okay. That's why it's changing now. You should be aware of that. Then what are the benefits? What are the benefits of clearing ASRB NET exam? Okay, there will be so many benefits you will get once you clear your ASRB NET exam. First one, you will eligible for assistant professor or lecturer post from recent UGC guidelines, okay. If you want to be professor or assistant professor or lecturer in any state agricultural universities or any deemed universities which are related to agriculture, okay, where their recruitment are going on, right? For that, you should clear ASRB NET exam, okay. This is the minimum eligibility, okay. This is the minimum criteria. You should clear ASRB NET, which is conducted by ICAR. Then opens a career in agriculture teaching, okay. Wherever you go, first they will ask about your ASRB NET, whether you are cleared or not. Then it improves the academic profile, okay. Obviously your CV, okay, it will be, you will get some more weightage for your CV if you clear ASRB NET. Useful for guest and contractual faculty opportunities. Again, if you want to join as a guest lecturer or contractual faculty, then they will definitely ask for your ASRB NET, whether you have cleared ASRB NET or not, okay. Supports long-term academic career growth for ARS, okay. Once you become ARS, whether you are cleared ASRB NET or not, okay. Once you become any scientist in any of the boards, different rubber board, silk board, okay, wherever it may be, okay, it will support your long-term academic career. Complements PhD and research experience, obviously. Then helps in preparation for other competitive exams, okay. Yes, if you have cleared ASRB NET, that means you are having some good knowledge about that particular subject, okay. You can take like that. Then national level recognition, since it is conducted by ICAR ASRB, definitely you will get a national recognition, okay, once you clear your ASRB NET exam. These are the different benefits, okay, once you clear the ASRB NET exams. As I told again, this exam will be prelims for your ARS, okay. One who are preparing for ARS or any STO, senior technical officer, SMS, subject matter specialist, okay, this ASRB NET exam will be the prelims for those kinds of different job opportunities, Okay, this is about benefits of your ASRB NET exam. Then, okay, once we comes to our subject, okay, for genetics and plant breeding, what are the different units we are having? Okay, we will see complete strategy, unit wise strategy and schedule. Schedule is nothing but we are having some, from our side also we are having something to give you. Okay, we will see at the end of the session, we will see from our side what we are going to provide. First we will see unit wise strategy. Okay, what will be the first unit? Okay, before that, before we are starting unit wise strategy, you should know the weightage analysis, very important. Okay, you can see there will be a 5 stars for 3 subject. That means they are having good weightage, more than 20%. Your quantitative genetics, okay, you can ask your immediate seniors, okay, how the paper, how was the paper in particular recent exam. It is fully filled with your quantitative genetics, whether it may be, whether it may be your ASRB NET prelims or ICAR PhD exam, whatever it may be. Nowadays, quantitative genetics is getting some importance. And plant breeding, whether it may be basic or modern plant breeding, it will be having some good weightage. Then your molecular genetics regarding replication, transcription, translation, that is your molecular genetics. Okay. Then cytogenetics. After that, okay, you should start your preparation in this flow. Okay, quantitative genetics, plant breeding, then molecular genetics, cytogenetics, then your molecular markers, biotechnology, population genetics. Then at the end of your preparation, you can just have to see evolution and statistics. Those also you will get some 2 to 3 questions. Okay, this is the weightage analysis as per the previous year question papers. Okay, I have seen previous year question papers, then उसके हिसाब से हम ये weightage का कुछ मार्क दिया था, ठीक है? Then unit wise preparation strategy. इधर देखो. First one, general genetics and plant breeding. The simple basics, okay, basic concepts you can see. Mendelian inheritance, your law of dominance, law of independent assortments, okay, and cell structure and division, mitosis, meiosis, linkage and detection, its estimation, okay, epistatis, gene concept. These are very allelism. You can see the replication, transcription, translation, very basic, okay, basic concepts. Okay, also you can see gametogenesis and fertilization, modes of sexual reproduction, okay, megasporogenesis, microsporogenesis. Anyway, I have covered each and everything in our marathon classes. But if you see this particular syllabus for ASRB NET or ICAR PhD exam, you should have clear understanding of each and everything. Okay, books where you can cover these things. You can see genetics, BDC, the basic Bible, Nestor and Simmons. Okay, it's not about your PG exam. Okay, you should know clear understanding and you should have broad knowledge about these particular concepts. So you should go for some good books also. So anyway, your BDC will be basics, then your Nestor and Simmons and life science pathfinder. You can cover these concepts in this particular books. Okay, I will recommend these 3 books. Okay, at the end of the class, I will going to tell you one book, okay, which covers each and everything, whatever which is related to genetics, okay, which is related to genetics, okay, whether it may be from BDC, whether it may be Nestor and Simmons, okay, pathfinder, okay, we have compiled everything and we have made one good book. I will going to tell about that particular book. And for plant breeding, since this unit also contains plant breeding, principles of plant breeding, BDC again, and principles of procedure of plant breeding, Chal and Ghoshal, very good book, and J.R. Sharma, plant breeding. These are the different basics plant breeding book. You can go for particular unit 1. Okay, then economic botany and plant breeding methods. From this unit you can see this is all about your crop plants. Okay, maybe whether they can ask your origin, distribution, okay, how it got evolved from the progenitors, okay, different crops. You can see the major crops: wheat, rice, maize, chickpea, pulses, pigeon pea, chickpea, black gram, green gram, and oil seeds. Okay, and breeding methods, cross-pollinated, whether it may be cross-pollinated, self-pollinated, hybrid breeding. Okay, for each and everything, you can refer economic botany, which is Kochar, fundamentals of field crop breeding, there will be one book, good book, okay, which is written by IRI scientist. You can go for that book. Okay, you will get it in online PDF. Then Atrocious Phenomenon, B.K. Mukherjee, very basic and important book for your ASRB NET exam. Then again Principles of Plant Breeding and Chalan Ghoshal, Principles of Plant Breeding. Okay, since it contains some basic principles of breeding for self and cross-promoted crop plants. Okay, you can cover this particular unit from these books. Be in the discussion till the end. Okay, now I am for each unit I am just giving the list of books. Okay, and we are seeing what are the different concepts in particular unit. At the end of the session, okay, you will get everything, each and everything in a single place. Okay, we'll discuss about it. Why we will get it in single place? Okay, we'll also tell that particular thing for you guys. Okay, be in the class till the end. Then about third unit, it is completely about cytogenetics. Okay, you can see structure, function and replication, sex determination and sex linkage. Okay, karyotype analysis, GISH, FISH. Okay, and it is all about your structural elaboration, numerical elaboration, polyploidy. Okay, wide hybridization, chromosomal manipulation. This is all about your cytogenetics. The main book you should prefer, which is P.K. Gupta and Genetic Made Easy. Okay, they have compiled with very crisp, with simple manner, and P.K. Gupta. This is for Bible for cytogenetics again. Okay, from this book you can cover this particular unit 3, which is completely regarding cytogenetics. What about fourth unit? Quantitative and biometrical genetics. Very important unit. And if you see the syllabus here, okay, multiple factor hypothesis, genetic advance and types of selection, population mean and variance, dominance and interaction variation, RD-Weinberg law, genetic load. Okay, this is the syllabus, same syllabus for your ICAR PhD exam. But in this unit, so many students will struggle to get some basic understanding. Okay, yeah, we are having books biometrical techniques in plant breeding, Singh and Narayan, basic books, and Nadarajan. This is also the basic books for quantitative genetics, and this is the Falconer, quantitative genetics by Falconer. This is very beautiful book. They have given each and everything. Okay, again, this is the Bible for your quantitative genetics, Falconer. There are so many questions. Frequently, they are asking directly from that particular book. Okay, this is about books. As I am telling. Okay, from the syllabus wise, unit wise strategy, I am telling about books. Okay, but at the end of the session, you will get to know what exactly you have to do. Then unit 5. Okay, this is one of my favorite unit, where you can expect so many number of questions recently, since it is contains some modern biotechnological tools. Okay, whether it may be your markers or maybe during different mapping methods. Okay, chromosome walking, jumping, gene cloning strategies, your gene editing technology. They will definitely get so many questions from this particular unit 5. Somatic hybridization. These are some tissue culture, basic tissue culture methods. Then regarding markers, gene tagging, QTL mapping, marker state selection. Okay, there will be different biotechnological tools. Then genome editing. Okay, regarding CRISPR-Cas9. Books, again the basic books, and this book will be the important one. Okay, marker assisted plant breeding principles and practices, which is written by A.K. Singh and B.D. Singh. Okay, you know anyway A.K. Singh, he is the recent Padma Shri awardee, and he is also previous director, okay, retired director from the IRI. This is the one of the basic book you should go through. Then unit 6, plant breeding. Plant breeding for stress resistance and nutrition quality. Particularly for this unit, you will not get complete information, the recent achievements in any of the books. Yeah, the basic book will be your B.D. Singh again, but you will not get to see the recent achievements, milestones, okay, or recent released varieties for different stress breeding related things. You will not get it anywhere, but we have something so that it will be very helpful for you guys. regarding book, the basic book, plant breeding. Then unit 7, plant genetic resources and the regulatory system, varietal region, seed production. There will be some portion from PGR and seed science and technology. You can see there will be a basic PGR activities, exploration, introduction, okay, collection, conservation and distribution. And you can see about, yes, there are different convention on biological diversity, CBD, ITPGRFA, your PPVFRA, okay, Biodiversity Act. These are the main important topics in concepts where you will definitely accept minimum 5 to 6 questions. Okay, and regarding some basic seed production principle, system of variety release and notification, types of seed chain, maintenance, breeding, nucleus, breeder seed production, different seed certification steps. Okay, maybe they can ask from that particular portion. Again, books are like common, very basics for seed science, R.K. Agarwal, and for acts and convention and IPR, here here they are telling that internet and YouTube. But where you will get exact information for these particular things, I will tell you. Then regarding last unit, that is statistical methods, it is completely about statistics, correlation, regression, okay, different field designs, okay, whether it may be your CRD, RCBD, alpha lattice, okay, and your augmented, okay, there will be so many designs. From that also they can ask some basics question. Book, again it will be textbook of agriculture statistics, which is by Rangaswamy. Okay, don't worry about books, okay, it will be like you will get each and everything information, okay, you will get this particular PDF once after my session, you can go through the books. But this is about your strategy, okay, what are the different units we are having, okay, from which units they are asking the more weightage, they are giving more weightage, okay, we have discussed each and everything. And regarding books, okay, you can see the for plant breeding, as I told, BD Singh, Chahal and Ghoshal, J.R. Sharma, and for atrocities there will be a book for atrocities and hybrid breeding, which is from BD Singh, RV Singh and AK Singh, and another one is BK Mukherjee, okay, atrocities phenomenon. Then this is fundamentals of field crops, which contains each and every field crops and their origin, distribution, the recent achievements, okay, it is written by IRA scientist, as I told. And for biomedical genetics, Singh and Narayan, and there will be on Dabolkar book, it is a mini version of your Falconer, okay, it's better to follow Falconer. And your MS, markers and principles and practices, which is from BD Singh and AK Singh. For statistics, Rangaswamy, as I told. Okay, anyway, this is keynotes on plant breeding, genetics and plant breeding. I will not recommend this particular book. This is like a key points, okay. And genetics, Stickberger, there is one good book, and along with Stetson and Simmons, very good book for your understanding. Then atrocities phenomenon, BK Mukherjee, as I told, okay. Whatever it may be, for different plant breeding, I will suggest to follow these different books. For genetics, okay, we have written the handbook of AgriAddict, okay, particularly for genetics, okay, we have compiled each and everything from BD Singh, okay, from Stetson and Simmons, and the Life Cells Pathfinder, okay, these are three different books which are having their own advantage, but we have compiled each and everything, and we have published handbook of AgriAddict, okay, which is having compilation of all three books. You will get complete genetics in single book, okay. Why you need to invest your time and energy in different books, okay. For particularly genetics, I will recommend handbook of AgriAddict, okay, you can order in our website, okay, we will get it delivered in 6 or 7 days. For other different units and different topics, okay, I have already recommended different types of books. अरे भाई आप मतलब अभी आप पूछ सकते हैं, अरे इतना books, okay, they are containing around 200 pages, some books are 300 pages, 400 pages, अरे बस 50% minimum qualifying मार्क्स लेना है, इसके लिए इतना पढ़ाई मतलब इतना बुक्स पढ़ाई करने के जरूरी है क्या? अरे जरूरी तो नहीं है हमें ना, ठीक है? I have some strategy for you guys. These are strategies like notes preparation, group study, PO analysis and practice. Okay, then how to read and how to attend exams. This will be at the end of your preparation. Okay, how to read these kinds of books. Okay, and how to make notes preparation. अरे group study कौन करता है अभी? सारे मतलब everyone is there having their individual preparation. Okay, where you will get PYQs, where you can practice. Okay, and how to read. Okay, for each and everything I have an answer. Okay, this is about our courses. As I told, okay, anyway I have already told about books. One who want to go for self preparation, okay, absolutely you can go, you can get those books and you can start your preparation. But some fellow students, they are not having that much time. They are also preparing for some other exams. They also want to do their research and they have to complete their research. Okay, it is very time bounded. So for that we are having, from our side we are having some courses where you can get each and everything in a single place. ASRB NET plus ICAR PhD course. Okay, this course will be available for till the day of your exam validity, not for 90 days, not for 80 days, okay, not for 180 days, and it's not for your 365 days. It is till the exam day. Okay, maybe that exam can be next year or it may be in 2028. Okay, we don't care about that. Okay, whatever it may be, okay, we will provide our this particular course till the exam day. If you purchase this particular course today itself, there will be a 2000 off, since we have given the ICR Foundation Day offer. Okay, you will get 2000 off if you purchase today itself. But if you are not able to purchase today and if you want to purchase by seeing this this video, okay, you will get 1500 off for this particular course. Okay, if you use ABHI 2027, this is the code. Okay, ABHI 2027, you can just make a note of it, ABHI 2027. okay, you can get 1500 off from tomorrow, or whenever you want to purchase, you will get 1500 off on this particular course. If you want to purchase ASRB NET, okay, it will be now particularly at 8999. By getting 2000 off, you will get it at 6999. Okay, this is the particular price for your ASRB NET course, which is till the exam date. And if you in the same page, if you choose ICAR PhD exam, ICAR PhD option, there will be a course again, the same course, but the validity, it will be till the your next exam, 2027 PhD exam. If you purchase ICAR PhD course, if you purchase ASRB NET plus ICAR PhD course, then it will be till the next ASRB NET exam. We don't know when it will happen. Okay, we will provide that complete timeline. This is for 2027. If you want to purchase PhD course, it will be available at 6999 at present. After this particular offer, if you purchase today, then you will get off of 2000. So we will get at 4999. Okay, after today, if you want to purchase, okay, maybe tomorrow or after 1 week or whatever it may be, after seeing this particular video, you just use this code ABHI 2027, you will get a 1500 off from my side. Okay, and what it contains, our course, okay, who are going to deal the different subjects. Okay, I will explain each and everything now. Okay, anyway, now you are having some doubts how you can cover each and every unit, okay, in a single course. What is the timeline? What about the live classes, recorded classes? Okay, I will explain each and everything now. which contains, this particular course contains plant science, genetics and plant breeding course, okay, especially genetics and plant breeding course, which is basic, the basic course, and advanced course, okay, advanced topics, genetics and plant breeding, which is very helpful for your ASRB NET and PhD exam. Then it also contains test series of your ASRB NET exam, which contains basic genetics and plant breeding, advanced genetics and plant breeding, and your ASRB NET test series. Okay, if you purchase this particular course, this is for ASRB NET, but it also contains seed science and technology, means advanced topics, test series, okay, and general agriculture courses and current affairs classes, PDFs. It contains each and everything. But for one who are preparing for ASRB NET, these three will be important. Which includes the package itself includes all three courses. But one who are preparing for ICAR PhD, okay, it also contains seed science and technology, their advanced topics and test series, okay, which includes current affairs and general agriculture course also. Okay, it contains each and everything. The package will contains each and everything. Now, if I want to tell about the unit wise classes, general genetics and plant breeding, which will cover in genetics and plant breeding course, okay, plant breeding course. Under each package, means under package will be your ASRB NET and PhD course. Which in that particular package there will be different courses again. Genetics and plant breeding basic course, which will cover from Hari Prasad, okay, it will deal with basic genetics, okay, and everything, molecular genetics, classical and Mendelian genetics, everything. Unit 1 will cover by Hari Prasad. And the plant breeding, in this particular unit, the plant breeding concept will be covered by me, okay, in basic course. Then second chapter, okay, here again there will be a plant breeding. It will cover by my side in basic course, again in genetics and plant breeding course, okay, it will cover in the basic course from my side again. Cytogenetics, okay, again it will be covered by my side in advanced topic course, where you will get this particular cytogenetics. The basic cytogenetics will be covered by Hari Prasad, but again the advanced topics like gist and fish, each and everything, okay, there is no doubt about it. Wide hybridization, okay, different cytogenetic techniques to detect the genes on which chromosomes which is present, the different genes in different trisomics, monosomic analysis, okay, everything will be covered by advanced topic course. Advanced topic course. Then quantitative genetics and biometrical genetics, it will be covered by Satya, one of our mentor, okay, is dealing this particular unit from past 3 years, okay, again it will be in the advanced topic, okay, everything, each and everything will be covered in the step manner, okay, we will cover from the basic quantitative genetics till the end of your particular unit. GG, everything will be covered by Satya Sai in advanced topic course. Then again, as I told, it is one of my favorite area, okay, it will be covered by my side, okay, in advanced topic course. If you want to take a feedback, okay, regarding this particular unit, you can just ask your seniors, one who are enrolled our courses in last year, okay, I have covered this particular unit in 25 classes, I think, okay, each and everything, I didn't miss any single topic, okay, I covered each and everything like gene tagging, QTL mapping. If you take any single word from this particular unit, okay, I have covered each and everything. Again, it will be available in our advanced topic course. And stress breeding, again it will be covered by my side only in the basic genetics and plant breeding course, okay. These are course I am telling, but these courses will be included in our package, that is your ICAR PhD and ASRB NET package. Okay, each and every courses, okay, whether it may be advanced courses, whether it may be basic courses, general agriculture courses, everything will be included in our package. Then unit 7, iska bhi mein it will be also covered by my side. Okay, and regarding seed technology, it will be covered by Hari Prasad in basic seed science course. It will also include in your package. You see, okay, we are not missing anything from the syllabus. Okay, you will get complete coverage of syllabus for your ICAR PhD, ASRB NET or ARS prelims, whatever it may be. And this will be covered by Satya, complete statistical methods and field plot techniques. This unit will be covered by Satya. This is about different strategy, okay, where we are going to cover each and everything in the syllabus in our courses. As I told, okay, I have explained different courses. Everything, each courses, okay, whether it may be basic or advanced, seed science, general agriculture, current affairs, everything will be included in this particular ASRB NET plus ICAR PhD course. If you are choosing ASRB NET plus ICAR PhD column in the while you are purchasing the course, okay, it will be till the your exam day, whether it may be ICAR PhD or ASRB NET. Okay, don't worry about that. But if you are purchasing only ICAR PhD course, if you are choosing ICAR PhD and you are purchasing ICAR PhD, then you will get a validity till the ICAR PhD exam. Okay, but if you purchase ASRB NET plus ICAR PhD, then your validity will be till the next ASRB NET, whether maybe it is in the 2027 or 2028. Okay, don't worry about that. And this particular package contains, as I told, each and everything. Okay, so that you can completely cover the entire syllabus for your ASRB NET. Okay, this is about the complete strategy for your examination. Strategy ऐसे मैं ऑलरेडी बताया था, ठीक है. स्ट्रैटेजी मतलब स्ट्रैटेजी तो ऐसे मतलब कौन सा चैप्टर में कौन सा बुक देखना है, कौन सा बुक में कितना कवर करना है, सारे छोड़ दो, ठीक है. हम ये ठीक है सब कुछ कवर कर देंगे कोर्स में. आप you can easily target your next ASRB NET exam so that you will get a ASRB NET certificate. Okay, if you guys have any doubts, okay, anything, and don't forget this code ABHI 2027. If you are preparing for next ASRB exam or ICAR PhD exam, you just use this code so that you will get a 1500 off from my side. Okay, this is about today's session, how you can cover or how you can crack the ASRB NET exam. This is, if you guys have any doubts, okay, you can just contact this particular number so that you will get a complete details about regarding our courses, how to enroll. Okay, and I will frankly tells that if you really want to purchase our courses, okay, before purchasing any of our courses, you just take in feedback from your seniors or previous year students. Okay, after that you can just enroll to our courses. Okay, thank you so much. This is about today's session. Okay, any comments, anything to ask in the comment box? Live classes of ASRB and ARS will be also conducted, right, sir? Yes, there are already in this particular course, there are already recorded sessions of previous year batch, but again we will conduct live sessions for each and every year. Don't worry about live classes. We will definitely give live classes. Good evening. Okay, from which month live classes will be start, sir? Immediately after your ASRB notification. Okay, we will start the live classes. Shinchan, क्या भाई इधर क्यों आ गया? Answer key update. अरे answer key मैं बताया था ना. You will get an answer key in upcoming 5-6 days. Maybe in the next week you can take like that before 25th. Okay, this is all about ASRB NET preparation. Okay, if you guys have any doubts, you can just drop a message to this particular WhatsApp number so that you will get each and every details regarding our courses. Thank you so much once again. Okay, just sare matlab if you like this information and if you want to share this information to your friends, just like and comment and subscribe our YouTube channel. Okay, so let's crack this ASRB NET together. Thank you so much. Test series will be included in the courses. Yes, Naman. Everything will be included, as I told. If I want to show you one simple thing. What exactly our courses contains, you can just see here. If you go and click on our AgriAddict courses, okay, you can see. If you choose ASRB NET, okay, this is the course I am talking about. Okay, ASRB NET genetics and plant breeding. Okay, you can see here. If you choose ICAR PhD 2027, it will be valid till your next ICAR PhD exam. But if you choose ASRB NET and PhD exam, it will be till your exam date, the next ASRB exam. Okay. What are the content, package content? You can see advanced topics, which covers the different units. As I told, as we discussed in the unit-wise strategy, advanced topics will be covered by in this course. If you are preparing for ICAR PhD, then your seed science will cover in this particular course advanced topics of seed science, and test series for ICAR PhD exam, test series for general agriculture, test series for ASRB NET genetics and plant breeding. You can see the content, crisp notes and genetics and plant breeding, the basic course, okay, where you can cover basic plant genetics and plant breeding, cytogenetics. You can see general agriculture course and seed science and technology basic course. Okay, these are different course contents. You will get it in particular course. But as I told, for ASRB NET, there is no need to go for your seed science and general agriculture and current affairs, those kinds of stuffs. Okay, only you should cover 3 basic courses. Okay, that is your basic genetics and plant breeding, mock tests series and advanced topics. But if you are preparing for ICAR PhD, anyway, it also contains seed science stuffs. Okay, you can also cover seed science. This is about different package. As I told, if you can choose here, if you are choosing ICAR PhD 2027, it will be valid till your next ICAR PhD exam. If you are choosing ASRB NET plus PhD 2027, then it will be valid till the ASRB exam. Okay, we don't know when it will conduct. It is maybe, as I told, 2027 or 2028. Okay, don't worry about that. You can just purchase, it will be valid till your exam. Okay, this is about our courses. Okay, any doubts? Sir, for 2028, 2 years long validity course is available. Lokesh, as I told, it is validity will be the till your next exam, next ASRB NET exam. We don't know, as I told, in the next year or 2028, but till the next exam. Okay, we don't know, maybe again they will release in this year, maybe in the end of this year they will release one notification, and again maybe they will release in next 2028, again there will be one more notification. Okay, it's not, we are not talking about that. Okay, it is the validity will be next NET exam. Okay, maybe whenever they can conduct, no problem. what about for mains preparation strategy? अरे उसके वो तो बाद एक और वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे, ठीक है. It is all about your ASRB NET and ARS prelims or STOSMS prelims. Okay, thank you, sir. I will enroll in it and spread the great message in our circle. Thank you, Naman. Thank you so much for your support. Okay, then we will conclude this session. Okay, as I told, if you have any queries, anything, if you want to ask, just drop a message to this particular number, and don't forget the code ABHI 2027, ABI 2027. Thank you so much.